In this video, we're going to talk about angle relationships in circles, specifically on a circle. In other words, when the vertex lands on a circle. And that's what it looks like right there. It also is what it looks like right there when the vertex just touches the edge of a circle. Something that we've already talked about is if I take the angle measure of the arc, in other words, this length from here to here, and remember that angle measure is from the center outwards, just like a pi diagram, so that's that portion. If that equals 120% of the pi, which it looks like it does, then I know that the angle right inside here, let's call that angle theta, I know that theta equals exactly 1/2 of the arc angle. Okay, so 120 down to 60. Okay, now it turns out also that if I have a tangent line, so let's write that, tangent. If I have a tangent, which is this line right here, and it's coming in and it's going straight across and just nipping that base of the circle, and then I have another ray that shoots off from there, the same thing applies. So I can say that this arc angle, which is from here, there's my center, so it's going to be more than, it's going to go like that, it's going to be 200 degrees of my 360. Well then, I'll erase a little bit, then the singular angle where that 2 is right there is going to be half of it. So measure of angle 2 equals 100. Okay, so let's do a quick problem and see if we can apply some of this stuff. My first goal is to find the measure of angle EFH. So E to F to H. Okay, well I know that EFH is going to be this angle. So measure of angle EFH, there we go, is exactly half of the arc length that it's a part of. And so that's going to be half of 130, so 65 degrees. Great. The next part, find the measure of arc GF. Okay, and that measure is that arc length is right in here. Okay, so if we know that this angle is 122 degrees, well, we can probably figure out what this angle is here as well because it's just a supplement, right? So I'm going to say 180 degrees minus 122 equals 58 degrees. Okay, so if I know that this angle right in here is 58 degrees, then I'm going to have to double that to get the measure of arc GF. In other words, 58 times 2, and that's going to get me 116 degrees.